Embark on an unforgettable journey through Bangkok, the vibrant capital of Thailand, with our video must try activities for first time visitors. From exploring iconic landmarks to indulging in delicious street food, get ready to immerse yourself in the rich culture and endless adventures this bustling city has to offer. Number 1. Thai cooking class. Besides learning to cook, you will gain insight into Thai ingredients, cooking techniques, and the cultural significance of different dishes. Some recommended spots for Thai cooking class are Baipai Thai Cooking School and Blue Elephant Cooking School. Don't worry about bringing anything to the class, as most cooking schools provide all necessary ingredients and equipment. Just come ready to have fun and learn. 2. Street food tour. A street food tour allows you to sample a wide variety of authentic Thai dishes, from spicy curries to sweet desserts, all while experiencing the vibrant atmosphere of Bangkok's streets. Yaowarat in Chinatown is famous for its seafood dishes, while Bang Rak Market offers a mix of local and international cuisines. Be adventurous and try new dishes, but also be mindful of your stomach's tolerance to spicy food. Choose vendors with high turnover to ensure freshness and hygiene. 3. Boat tour of the Chao Phraya River. A boat tour offers a unique perspective of Bangkok's skyline and landmarks, allowing you to see the city from a different angle while enjoying a cool breeze from the river. Chao Phraya Express Boat offers an affordable and convenient way to explore the river, while long-tail boat tours provide a more personalized experience. Make sure to bring sunscreen and a hat to protect yourself from the sun, especially during daytime tours. Also, be aware of your belongings and keep them secure while on board. 4. Shopping. Bangkok offers shopping experiences for every budget and taste, from high-end fashion boutiques to bargain-filled markets. Whether you're looking for designer brands or unique souvenirs, you will find it here. Chatuchak Weekend Market is one of the largest markets in the world, while Siam Paragon and MBK Center cater to fashionistas and tech enthusiasts. Bring cash for markets, as many vendors may not accept credit cards. Bargaining is common at markets, so don't be afraid to negotiate for a better price. 5. Floating markets. Floating markets provide a glimpse into traditional Thai commerce and culture, with vendors selling fresh produce, handicrafts, and cooked food from boats along the canals. Dam Noen Sadoak Floating Market is the most famous, but Empower Floating Market offers a more authentic and less touristy experience. Bring cash in small denominations for purchases, as vendors may not have change for large bills. Also, be cautious of overcrowding and watch your step when navigating narrow walkways. Number 6. Explore temples and palaces. Temples and palaces are architectural marvels steeped in history and spirituality, offering visitors a glimpse into Thailand's rich cultural heritage. The Grand Palace and Wat Phra Khao House, the iconic Emerald Buddha, while Wat Arun's stunning spires are a sight to behold during sunset. Dress modestly when visiting temples, covering your shoulders and knees out of respect. Remove your shoes before entering temple buildings and be mindful of monks and worshippers. 7. Art and museum tours. Bangkok's art scene is vibrant and diverse, with galleries and museums showcasing both traditional and contemporary Thai art, as well as international works. Bangkok Art and Culture Center hosts rotating exhibitions by local and international artists, while the Jim Thompson House Museum offers a glimpse into Thai silk and architecture. Check museum opening hours and ticket prices in advance, as they may vary. Also, be respectful of artwork and photography policies within galleries and museums. Number 8. Nightlife and entertainment. Bangkok's nightlife is legendary, offering everything from rooftop bars with stunning city views to bustling night markets and cultural performances. Khao San Road is a backpacker's paradise with cheap drinks and street food. Be cautious of scams and overpriced items, especially in touristy areas. Drink responsibly and be aware of your surroundings, especially late at night. In addition to the activities we mentioned, Bangkok is brimming with other exciting experiences like Muay Thai, boxing, Thai massage, and spa treatments, and so much more. We hope our list has given you a glimpse into the diverse and thrilling offerings of this vibrant city. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all our latest adventures. Bye!